And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Oh, oh yeah. I think to...
Hello mga kapakals! Good day Davao! For today's video ay maaga nga tayong nagising dahil naimbitahan tayo ng NCCC Mall para sa kanila road to opening ng NCCC Mall Maa. And part of their advocate, they organized this coastal cleanup and mangrove planting activity here at Aboitiz Cleanergy Park. First time nga naming makarating dito at hindi kami makapaniwala that this is an 8-hectare a biodiversity conservation site. Ang galing ano, meron pala tayong ganito sa Davao? And this area is considered as the only white sand beach here in Davao City. Kaya lang hindi siya pwedeng liguan dahil protected area ito. Ang lugar nga na ito ay isa sa mga sanktuaryo ng mga pawikan dito sa Mindanao. Kaya talagang pinoprotektahan ito ng ating syudad. Guided by DENR.
So ang pinaka-sensitive nga itlog kantong manok ko kira, pero kaning itlog sa pawikan is sensitive kay ngano rubberized siya. Kung pag matandog nimo to siya malubong ang imong kamot kundi ligaan imong pagbonet.
These are the species, this is the species, the Osprey circles, ang nagpapag-itlog react sa ito ang part. So, they're all up to the surface to get air because they don't have gills, they have lungs. They're like humans. They can stay under the water for about 30 to 100 them lang. We don't have that. So,
you're the solution. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. Parang mula nang nakita ka, nawawala ang pangangamba. Parang ika'y kapiling na. Feels like summer when I'm with you. Parang isla pantropiko. I can't wait to go back to you. Sa isla pantropiko. Pantropiko, pantropiko, oh. Sa isla pantropiko. Pantropiko, pantropiko, oh. Sa isla pantropiko. Pantropiko, pantropiko, oh. Sa isla pantropiko.
Pagkatapos nga ng cleanup activity ay naimbitahan ang lahat para kumain at magsalo-salo dito sa Malagos Homegrown.
Thank you, NCCC.